Imagine the wind in your hair, the sun on your face, and the open road stretching before you. Welcome to the ultimate road trip, Australia. It's a place where the landscapes are as vast as your sense of wonder. From the rust-red desert plains of the outback to the lush green rainforests of the north, the scenery is as diverse as it is breathtaking. But it's more than just the landscapes that make road tripping in Australia an adventure. It's the unexpected encounters with unique wildlife, the discovery of secluded beaches, and the chance to experience the rich tapestry of cultures that call this land home. There's an unparalleled sense of freedom that comes with exploring Australia on the road. This is a journey that invites you to stray off the beaten path, to find your own way, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. So buckle up, adventurers, as we embark on the journey of a lifetime. Have you ever watched the sunrise over Uluru or enjoyed a picnic next to the Great Ocean Road? These are just a few of the unforgettable experiences that await you on an Australian road trip. Imagine this. You're cruising along the Pacific Coast touring route, the salty sea breeze is wafting through your open windows, and you're on your way to the vibrant city of Brisbane. Suddenly, you spot a troop of kangaroos hopping across the grassy plains. You pull over, reach for your camera, and capture this unique encounter with Australia's iconic wildlife. This is not an experience you could have had if you'd chosen to fly. Or picture this. You're driving through the vast and arid outback, and as the sun sets, the sky transforms into a breathtaking canvas of hues: pink, purple, orange, and gold. You camp under a billion stars, the Southern Cross twinkling brightly above you. You wake up to the ethereal sound of the didgeridoo echoing in the distance. This is not a sight or sound you'd stumble upon in a bustling city. Now, let's take you to the heart of the country, to the sacred red rock, Uluru. You're driving around its base, soaking in the majesty of this natural wonder. You stop, step out of your vehicle, and feel the ancient energy of the land pulsating beneath your feet. You partake in an indigenous cultural tour and gain a deeper understanding of the ancestral traditions of the Aboriginal people. This is not a lesson you'd learn in a conventional classroom. And then there's the Great Ocean Road, a marvel in itself. You're driving along this scenic route, the ocean on one side, lush rainforest on the other. You stop by the iconic 12 Apostles, have a picnic, and watch as the waves crash against these towering limestone stacks. This is not a spectacle you'd witness on a regular day. Every journey has a story, and every story adds a new layer to the rich tapestry of the Australian road trip. But how do you navigate this vast continent and ensure your road trip is smooth and hassle-free? Well, strap in, adventurers, because it's time to talk about the nitty-gritty details of planning and executing a successful road trip in Australia. The first step is route planning. Australia's size can be daunting, but breaking your trip down into manageable chunks can make it feel less overwhelming. Consider the distances between towns and fuel stations, as well as the attractions you want to see. This will help you create a realistic and enjoyable itinerary. Next up is vehicle choice. Your trusty ride will be your home away from home on the open road. Consider the type of terrain you'll be covering. A four-wheel drive might be necessary if you're planning to venture off the beaten track, but a comfortable sedan will suffice for highway trips. Don't forget to have your vehicle serviced before you set off to avoid any mechanical surprises along the way. Now let's talk about packing. Besides your regular luggage, there are some road trip essentials you shouldn't forget. A good road map, a first aid kit, plenty of water, and some non-perishable food items are a must. And remember, Australia's weather can be unpredictable, so pack clothing for all conditions. Last, but certainly not least, is dealing with Australia's unique wildlife. It's not unusual to encounter kangaroos, wombats, or even camels on your journey. While these encounters can be exciting, they can also be dangerous, especially at dawn and dusk when animals are most active. So, always keep your eyes on the road and drive with caution. And there you have it, folks, a handful of practical tips and tricks to help you plan and execute a successful road trip in Australia. Remember, the journey is just as important, if not more so, than the destination. So take your time, soak up the sights, and enjoy the freedom of the open road. With a little planning and the right mindset, the open Australian road is yours to explore. Australia is a vast continent with endless destinations to explore, but where should you start? Let's embark on an imaginary journey across the sunburnt country, highlighting some must-visit destinations along the way. Imagine starting out in Sydney, the glittering jewel of New South Wales. Sydney is a city that effortlessly combines the hustle and bustle of city life with the tranquility of nature. The iconic Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge are sights that simply cannot be missed. And just a short drive away is the Blue Mountains National Park, where the breathtaking vistas and tranquil eucalyptus forests offer a serene escape from the city. Now, let's head south to Melbourne, Victoria's capital. Known for its vibrant art scene, quaint laneways, and excellent coffee, Melbourne is a city that has something for everyone. Make sure to visit the bustling Queen Victoria Market and take a stroll along the Yarra River. From Melbourne, journey along the Great Ocean Road, one of the world's most scenic coastal drives. Here, you'll witness the majesty of the 12 Apostles, limestone stacks rising dramatically from the Southern Ocean. The road also winds through rainforests, around cliff tops, and over rivers, making it a truly unforgettable journey. Next, let's head to South Australia, where the city of Adelaide awaits. Known as the City of Churches, Adelaide is a city rich in history and culture. Visit the Adelaide Central Market or take a short drive to the renowned Barossa Valley, where some of the world's best wines await. Let's not forget the red heart of Australia, the Northern Territory. Here lies the Uluru Kata Tjuta National Park, home to the awe-inspiring Uluru. This massive sandstone monolith is sacred to the indigenous Anangu people and is a sight that truly takes your breath away. Finally, let's journey to the west, to Perth, the capital of Western Australia. This vibrant, energetic city offers beautiful beaches, a bustling food scene, and the expansive Kings Park, one of the largest city parks in the world. And these are just a handful of the many destinations that Australia has to offer. From the tropical rainforests of Queensland to the rugged wilderness of Tasmania, the possibilities are endless. Each destination, each city, each national park holds its own unique charm and allure, waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags, fuel up your car, and get ready to hit the open road. Whether you're a seasoned road tripper or a first-time explorer, Australia is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be unlocked. Australia is a land of endless discovery, and there's no better way to uncover its secrets than on the open road. The ultimate Aussie experience is not just about the destinations, but the journey itself. Imagine cruising along vast open roads under the endless Australian sky. As you journey from one destination to another, you're not just moving through space, but through time, experiencing the rich tapestry of Australia's history, culture, and natural beauty. Picture this. You're driving through the heart of the outback, the red earth beneath your wheels, and a canopy of stars above. You pull up at a quintessential Aussie pub where you're welcomed with open arms and a cold beer. You share stories, laughter, and perhaps a game of pool with the locals. Here, in this moment, you're not just a traveler, you're part of the community. Or consider this. You're navigating the great ocean road, the salty sea breeze filling the air. You pause to marvel at the 12 apostles, sculpted by time and the relentless ocean. Here, you're not just witnessing a natural wonder, you're immersed in it. And then there are the chance encounters. The friendly kangaroo hopping by as you set up camp, or the cheeky cockatoo eyeing your lunch. The surfer sharing his secret beach, or the farmer inviting you to a local rodeo. These fleeting moments, these unexpected friendships, are the heart and soul of an Australian road trip. But most of all, the ultimate Aussie experience is about the memories you make. The sunrises and sunsets, the campfires and barbecues, the songs sung and the roads traveled. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, embracing the unexpected, and truly immersing yourself in the Aussie spirit. Australia is a land of contrasts, where the ancient and the modern, the wild and the serene coexist. And there's no better way to experience this than by hitting the open road. So, are you ready to hit the road and start your own Australian adventure?